Hi, welcome home. My name is Madeleine Day. I'm an interior designer with Walt Disney Imagineering. I'd like to welcome you into the one-bedroom villa for the Island Tower at Disney's Polynesian Villas and Bungalows. The overall story narrative is celebrating that art and tradition of Polynesian wayfinding, the wayfinders, and the natural elements that they would have been in sync with as they made their travels. And so here in the one bedroom, we're celebrating the natural element of water. If you come over to the dining area, you'll see this carved manta ray. This manta ray was actually designed by Polynesian tattoo artist Joshua Elsis. He created this one-of-a-kind piece to fit just above the family dining table. You'll notice the sea turtle shells here he's carved and the symbols representing people. So for family, you'll see symbols of the ocean, shark's teeth for protection, and then the sea turtle on the back of the manta ray. And he's actually incorporated Maui's hook onto the back of that sea turtle, representing again the fishing hook, bringing food to the family table. And there's actually a hidden Mickey here on this manta ray. It's a little hard to find, it's upside down, but it's actually right above the sea turtle here. And then you can see just at the top that guiding star. Also at this dining banquette, we have this really beautiful fabric created by our team at Walt Disney Imagineering. You'll see some friendly faces. We have our hidden Mickey here, of course, and then we also have the swirl from the Heart of Te Fiti from Moana. And then just across from our dining table, we have our full kitchen. You have the French door refrigerator with freezer, your range and oven, microwave, and then your dishwasher. We've incorporated a lot of physical and visual texture here just in the kitchen alone, with the insets on the cabinetry and then the soffit just above. And then behind me, we have a full washer dryer set. And then even further, we'll have a small entry closet here that will house your safe. And then behind me, we'll have this full second bath. We were able to adjust the floor plan and get this great addition. So coming into the living room area, I'd like to point out our beautiful area rugs. These were actually made by a company that takes recycled plastic bottles and then weaves them into yarn. And this rug actually feels like silk, yet made from recycled materials. So this piece on the face of the flip-down wall bed is inspired by the view that guests will get from sitting at the Island Tower beach and looking across Seven Seas Lagoon to Cinderella's castle. So you can see that under the sea life, use your imagination, and then get the faint silhouette of Cinderella's castle beyond. Guests will not only have views of Seven Seas Lagoon, direct views to Cinderella's castle and the fireworks at night, but on the opposite side, you'll get views of our beautiful golf courses. The monorail will cut right through the middle of the site, and it's also the sunset view. And so when you flip down the wall bed, you'll get your queen mattress here, and then this great dreamy nighttime scene of Ramatala flying through the air as the manta ray, and then Moana in the right on her voyage, the under the sea dreamy life, and then you get a little peek of the Heart of Te Fiti at the bottom of the ocean. And moving on to our entertainment center, you'll see this tambour geometric patterning that we pulled from the existing Polynesian resort. And when you flip down this pull-down bed, you'll get another great art piece. This is inspired by the scene in Moana where Maui and Moana go down to Tomatoa's lair to retrieve the Heart of Te Fiti. And they sing that shiny song. Here in the primary bedroom in that one bedroom villa, again, the carpet here is inspired by the coral reefs and is made from that recycled plastic bottle yarn. Looking towards that wall-to-wall headboard, you get this beautiful mural celebrating the harmony of the Polynesian wayfinders and the ocean, but also what's under the ocean. So you see the dolphins, and then at the right, you get the frigate birds, which again would have guided the Polynesian wayfinders. Moving on into the primary bathroom, you're walking directly on access on this beautiful carved flower sitting on a mother of pearl tile. This flower is actually derived from one of Disney legend Mary Blair's pieces. We found this really great intersection between some of Mary Blair's original concept sketches for Adventureland and more traditional Polynesian art. You'll see each petal is representing a different aspect of Polynesian life, starting with the creation of the islands with the volcanoes, moving on to the wayfinders, the under the sea life, the islands, and again, the birds. And to your right, you'll have your water closet, and then to your left, you'll have your shower with the rain head, you have a nice bench, and you get a great strip of accent tile with these nice pebbles. And then looking at the vanity, you get this great pop of blue tile, again representing the ocean. And then you have these really cool mirrors that are shaped like islands. And so you'll see this island shape repeated throughout the entire island tower. And here with the drapery, you'll see the school of fish swimming across, and then you get this nice geometric pattern, again, referencing the original Polynesian resort. And then we've incorporated some hidden Mickeys also. So that was the 1-bedroom villa, which sleeps 5, and then we're moving in here into this deluxe studio, which sleeps 4. So right when you enter, you'll have your restroom here. You get a great pop of this green triangle tile. You'll have that island shape that continued from the 1-bedroom in the double mirror. Your water closet here on the right, and then your shower here on the left, again featuring that rain head shower and a nice shower bench and that strip of accent tile. We actually turned the layout a little bit to have the kitchenette here on the left and to really open up that space to maximize the floor plan as much as possible. And so here in the kitchenette, you get this great lava rock inspired basalt tile, and you actually will also have a dishwasher. This is unique to this resort. Typically, you wouldn't have a dishwasher, you would just have disposables, but with this ad, we're able to get away from that and also be closer to our 2030 sustainability goals. We also will feature a microwave and then a mini fridge. You'll have your sofa that will double as a queen bed, and then across you get this luggage bench with this nice booth banquette, very flexible. The artwork on the TV wall is again inspired by Earth. While the 1-bedroom celebrates water, the studios will celebrate Earth, so the flora and the fauna. So you get these nice island palms. And then on the opposite wall, you get this beautiful piece, again inspired by Moana. This is inspired from the scene at the beginning of the movie where they're introducing the island life and all of the characters. You can see Moana's village over here, the fishing nets. And then on the top right, you get the stack of rocks where Moana will, at the end of the movie, place her shell. And then when you flip the bed down, you get this nice dreamy nighttime scene. You can see Te Fiti as the island sleeping. You get a glimpse of Maui, Hei, Pua in the clouds, more constellations of marine life. And at the bottom right, you can see Moana getting ready to voyage and Tomotoa the crab. This unit also features another area rug made from those recycled plastic bottles. You have your queen bed with this nice geometric inspired wall covering. And the drapery here has the birds flying across with that same geometric pattern and hidden Mickeys. Thank you so much for joining us on this tour. We can't wait to welcome you home soon.